Hello, I'm Vidya, your tutor. Let's learn time goes on together, step by step. Time is everywhere. From morning to night, Monday to Sunday, we'll read clocks and use the calendar. On a clock, the shorthand points to the hour and the longhand to the minutes. At an o'clock time, the longhand sits on 12. 7 days make a week, and 12 months make a year. A calendar shows us the dates and days. When the shorthand is on 8 and the longhand on 12, the time is 8 o'clock. To recap, the shorthand shows hours and the long minutes. A week is 7 days, and a year is 12 months. Well done. Great work! Keep learning with Vidya and visit CBSETest.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice tests.